Tonight, in the heart of the city, a new kind of leader is about to take the helm, one with no heartbeat, no face, and no fear. But when the code is activated, nothing in business history will ever be the same again. This is the dawn of the AI CEO, where million-dollar decisions are made in the blink of an algorithm. The question is, are you ready to follow a leader that never sleeps? In August 2025. If you're interested in making money with technology, subscribe now. This channel is made for you. The new boss? Not a person, but an artificial intelligence. For many businesses, if you're enjoying the video, hit subscribe. I share brand new AI opportunities every week. This is the key to thriving in a hyper-competitive world. The age of the AI CEO has begun, rewriting the rules of leadership and success. In the next video, you'll learn how to build a business from scratch using AI. Turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Companies using AI leaders are outpacing their rivals in growth and profit. This isn't a passing trend, it's a revolution in business management. Understanding this shift is crucial for anyone who wants to stay ahead. An AI CEO means decisions are driven by vast data, not gut feelings. The company can react to market changes instantly, like a chess grandmaster seeing every move. AI analyzes everything, customer feedback, supply chains, global trends, to find the best path forward. The question is no longer if AI will lead companies, but how we'll adapt. Will we work alongside these digital minds or be replaced by them? We'll explore real companies making the switch, the benefits, the risks, and what this means for the future of work. Welcome to the boardroom of the future, where the most powerful person may not be human at all. An AI CEO isn't a robot in a suit, it's a powerful computer system making high-level decisions. Think of it as the brain of the business, using AI to analyze data and choose the best actions. It manages money, launches products, and directs employees, just like a human CEO. The goal: run the company logically and profitably, with every choice backed by data. Many of these are called autonomous corporations, some managed by decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs. In a DAO, company rules are written into code, and the AI follows them to make decisions. This creates transparency and removes the need for traditional management. The AI CEO constantly learns, gathering data from sales, customer feedback, social media, and global news. It processes information at lightning speed, making predictions and strategic plans. For example, it might spot a trend overseas and pivot the company instantly. AI is no longer just an advisor, it's the executive empowered to make final decisions. This shift is possible because AI now understands complex situations and can make nuanced judgments. The autonomous corporation is no longer a futuristic dream, it's today's business model. The rise of the AI CEO is transforming how companies operate, making them faster, smarter, and more efficient. The question is, how will humans fit into this new structure? The answer is unfolding right now. August 2025 marks a turning point. Two major US tech companies have appointed AI agents as operational heads. Synthcore, a Silicon Valley software firm, now has an AI named Prometheus managing daily operations, while the human CEO shifts to a chairman role. Prometheus oversees everything from project management to performance reviews. In Texas, Viridian Dynamics put an AI called Helios in charge of energy grid management and market trading. Helios analyzes weather demand and prices in real time, making millions of decisions daily. The board says only AI can keep up with the volatile energy market. These aren't experiments. These are billion-dollar companies trusting algorithms with critical control. Synthcore's stock soared 20% after the announcement, as investors bet on efficiency and error-free planning. The world is watching. Will these AI-led companies set a new standard, or face unforeseen problems? One thing is clear: the era of AI leadership has officially arrived. Speed is a top reason companies are turning to AI leaders. An AI CEO can process information and make decisions in seconds, not weeks. This agility lets companies outpace competitors and seize new trends instantly. AI CEOs are fully data-driven, free from human bias or emotion. Every decision is based on logic and analysis, not pride or gut feelings. The result: more objective, successful outcomes. If you're enjoying this video, hit that subscribe button. I share brand new AI opportunities every week. AI leaders never tire, never burn out, and have no ego, operating 24/7 at peak performance. They don't care about credit, only company success. Consistency is another advantage. AI applies the same logic to every situation, creating stability and predictability. Employees and investors know exactly how decisions are made. Unlike humans, AI isn't swayed by mood or personal issues. This combination of speed, logic, tirelessness, and consistency gives AI-led companies a major edge. In today's economy, that edge can be the difference between leading and lagging. The unfair advantage of AI leadership is reshaping the business landscape. Companies that don't adapt risk being left behind. But AI CEOs come with serious downsides, the biggest lack of empathy. AI can't understand or support employees emotionally. It may make cold decisions like mass layoffs without considering human impact. Legal uncertainty is another issue. Who's responsible if the AI makes a costly mistake? Our laws weren't built for non-human leaders, creating risky gray areas. Ethical concerns loom large. AI is programmed to maximize profit, sometimes at the expense of what's right. It might exploit loopholes or create harmful products lacking a moral compass. Over-reliance on AI could also stifle creativity and innovation. AI excels at optimizing but may miss the next big idea born from human intuition. Efficiency is great, but without human judgment, companies risk losing their soul. The challenge balancing AI's strengths with the irreplaceable value of human insight. Experts are watching the AI CEO trend closely, and the early numbers are impressive. A recent Institute for Digital Governance report found AI-led companies cut operational costs by 40% and boosted productivity by 30%. AI optimizes workflows, automates tasks, and spots inefficiencies humans might miss. Leading economist Dr. Alina Petrova calls this a hyper-productive business model, predicting companies without AI leadership will struggle to compete within 5 years. But experts also warn, these results come mostly from tech-focused firms. It's unclear if AI can lead businesses that rely on creativity or human care. Financial gains are clear, but ethical and social challenges remain. Transparency, accountability, and human values must be part of the equation. The bottom line, AI leadership offers huge potential, but success requires more than just profit. Companies must balance efficiency with responsibility. The future will demand both smart algorithms and wise human oversight. The story is just beginning. With AI's rapid rise, will human executives become obsolete? In roles focused on analysis and optimization, AI already outperforms humans. The day-to-day machinery of business could soon be fully automated, but humans still have a role, setting goals, defining ethics, and shaping company culture. The future is likely a partnership. Humans provide vision and values, AI handles execution. Think of the human as captain, the AI as navigator and engineer. Human skills like empathy, judgment, and inspiration will matter more than ever. The best leaders will guide AI with a strong ethical compass. The CEO's traditional role may fade, but human leadership will evolve, not disappear. Tomorrow's boardroom will focus less on spreadsheets, more on purpose and ethics. Humans will be the guardians of the company's soul. As AI leaders rise, new rules and regulations are urgently needed. Old corporate laws weren't designed for algorithms in charge. Clear accountability is essential. Humans must ultimately be responsible for AI decisions. This could mean boards, ethics committees, or even a chief human officer overseeing the AI. Transparency is critical. Companies must reveal how AI makes decisions and what data it uses. Explainable AI standards may be required to build trust and prevent hidden biases. International cooperation is vital since AI-led companies operate across borders. Global agreements on ethics, fairness, and privacy are needed to prevent a regulatory race to the bottom. Without coordinated rules, we risk instability and harm. Building this framework won't be easy, but it's necessary for a safe, prosperous future. The world is watching, and the stakes are high. We're at the dawn of a new era. AI CEOs are fundamentally changing leadership. Companies like Synthcore and Viridian Dynamics are proving AI can deliver speed and efficiency once thought impossible. Market logic will push more companies to follow, but the journey is complex. We must balance AI's advantages with its risks, lack of empathy, legal confusion, and ethical dilemmas. The future of business must protect human values, not just maximize profit. Human executives aren't disappearing, they're transforming. Tomorrow's leaders will collaborate with AI, using creativity and judgment to guide their companies. The story isn't machine versus human, but machine and human together. This partnership could solve big problems and create responsible, sustainable businesses. The AI CEO is a powerful tool, but must be used wisely. As we move forward, we must program these digital minds with our best intentions. The future of business is being rewritten, and we all have a role to play. Don't just watch the future, be part of it. Subscribe now, turn on notifications, and join the AI revolution. Your next big opportunity starts here.